Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? I hope you guys are ready, and welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Gonna be hopefully a good one. Market's been a bit slow, but we are ready to get it here, so hopefully things are gonna come alive. But we are ready to make the most of it nonetheless. Let's see, Jex, brother, before we get into anything. What's up, brother? You owe me a funded account. Guys, a little update before we even get into it. The XDS thing has been sorted. My funds are in my account, all sorted out. So again, I will just say thank you to them for sticking to their word. The minute, unfortunately, a post went up, they did make an apology. They actually showed me they did make an announcement 2 weeks ago that they were having an issue with deposits and withdrawals for the last 2 weeks, because for the guys that don't know, even Jevin and the guys here would know, working in a broker, that they've actually been having a problem with volume, because how it works with trading is you guys pay for a server, and with a server you're allocating a certain amount of accounts that can go on that server, and they've actually had a massive issue because they've broken their volume. So they're way overboard, and that's causing this big backlog they're having with everything. So until their new servers are activated, things will stabilize. So it's just been a bit of up and down there. So they did give me a very big apology about it. But as I say, they did also show that they did make a statement about it 2 weeks ago when it was happening. Unfortunately, their servers are just not up yet, the new ones. So that's the case. But again, has been sorted out. Money is in the account and ready to trade. So literally just been sorted there. But Jex, so brother, don't worry about it, my man. I don't need you to get me a funded account. We're not going to hold you to that. But still still chalking them. Nah, bro, it's you know what, again, I'm not going to say you guys are wrong, because from the post, we are people for the people, and there was a lot of negative comments about it. I think everyone has their back and forth. I don't know if Jev's ever used them, so I don't know what Jev's experience is with them. With XNES. Have you had a bad experience with them?
Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm banned, but...
Oh, okay. But as you see, Chad, there's that, and where, for example, Jev saying he's banned almost, but like again, myself and Chris, very happy actually looked after there. This was the first hiccup I had. I said to them, and I can still show you guys the messages, I did say I appreciate the help in sorting it out, but I did say to them, one thing they really need to improve on is their support. I said to them, guys, honestly, support was shocking. From the start, I understand these things now because I'm in a back end, but you guys need to sort your support out. It was useless. It was very bad. So again, you never know how bad the issue is until you do have those issues. So again, just being transparent with you guys. Not saying you guys are wrong. As I said, from the Power social media, there is a lot that has also come out of the woodworks, guys saying a lot about them. So guys that are happy and have never had an issue, and a lot of guys that have had issues. So I think you're just going to take it, experience it for yourself, and make the decisions by yourself. But other than that, Chad, on the positive note, let's get into this. Well, before we do, Jev, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing good, man. I thought I was like, oh, forgetting about me.
No. We ready, yeah.
I'm good. I'm looking forward to the session.
Yeah, bro. Yes, it's been slow today. But Chad, without that, let's get into the markets. So let's put over. Start off as always. Let's go through what fundamentals.
Keys. I'll be right back. I just need to check on that homo face thing.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'll be right back.
As we were saying, guys, we're going to go through fundamentals quickly. NZD having their news. We don't trade that. That was very early this morning, so I don't see who would have caught that. CPI for the pound coming out very nice and hot. Definitely a good result there. Still relatively a drop, but higher than they're expecting, so a nice result there for the pound. And then going in here, we got existing home sales, which they are expecting to be an increase. So just want to keep that in mind. And then we got FMC meeting minutes tonight. Don't think we'll do too much. Remember, guys, that is meeting minutes. So they basically just going to be discussion again, obviously moving into FOMC soon. They're just going to be talking about what happened and a reminder of the previous FOMC. So again, these are things we are already aware of. There's nothing new that's going to come out of it. So don't expect anything shocking. But that is it, guys. Other than that, nothing too much. And then, as our boy Farbs over there says, letting everyone know, we got the Nvidia release coming out basically 20 past 9, just after market close. So that's going to be tonight. So make sure you either are break even, you are doing something, but you don't want to be caught on the wrong side of that thing, I think, tonight. So that's going to be an interesting one for NASDAQ. But we'll talk more about that a little bit later. But let's get into the charts, Chad. So let's start off with DXY. So DXY traded up the whole day. As I said to you guys, personally, still very much bearish. So to me, this is obviously not what we want to be seeing, but end of the day, it is there, and we just need to react now and see what we can do, make the most of it. So very, very bullish push going into this. Now we're going to start seeing this come out here again. If home sales come out, that's going to be even more, a little bit more dollar strength for it. So actually going to be quite interesting going into this session. We haven't tested since the breakaway, so we'll see. Again, traded R1 right up to R2. Do we now fail under the R1 and come all the way back down weekly pivot and into our Asia range? We're just going to see what happens there, and then we'll take it from there. But I am obviously still very much bearish, but we will just keep a reaction and keep an eye open, seeing obviously what DXY is doing. Over to the indices, guys. NASDAQ, we are still easily very, very much bullish. We got that 18,800 on the cards. That's definitely what we'll be looking at. 4 hour, trying a nice pullback. If we can get something like this, you guys know it. That is our buy criteria. But as knowing NASDAQ, you're not going to get this. You are going to get something like that. So you'll miss that entry. So you got to try catch it earlier. If that is going to be the case, obviously getting back into the Asia range, I think you are ready to go. Looking at it ahead of time, purely thinking that we've traded down, tested the daily pivot. We just want to see what's going to happen here. We have rejected this area before, so do we continue to reject? If we get above, I'll be looking for the buys to break and go higher. I just want to say, guys, I want to have my eye on NASDAQ today, purely for the reason, obviously we know NVIDIA coming out tonight. So if I can get a buy in here and I can see this thing run, if we can get in here and this thing, for example, runs and do this, this is a trade I want you guys to do. I'm gonna take this. If I take something, I'm gonna take it on that little development account of mine where I'm just throwing a little bit in there. If it blows, it blows, whatever. But I want to take this on there, the note, purely because I'm not gonna take TP. Even if we hit TP, I'm not going to take it. I want this to be clear. I want to try and get an entry where I can let this thing run and hold. If I have to, I can go break even if it's up here, be break even literally right at the bottom, and let it be. Because if this thing can run, for example, till tonight, and let's say it gets around, it's chilling, NVIDIA comes out how we want it to, NASDAQ can do that. So again, I just want you guys to be aware of that. That's specifically why I want to look at it, because I want to see if I can get a good entry already going into New York, to see if I can hold that through till tonight for the NVIDIA release. Okay, so just so you know, I want to have my eye on the NASDAQ today, purely for that reason. Okay, so I'm looking for the bullish moves over there. With US 30, we are still going to look for the bullish move as well. As I said, we traded bearish the whole day. We've seen that dollar buy. If dollar starts to sell off, obviously this gives us all that one momentum back to the top side. We've literally broken at that support level, so a good chance this could even turn rejection, but we want to see the buys. Are we at the S1? Can we hold the S1? And at the same time, Asia highs untested, so that one gives us a nice target to trade towards. So we just want to keep that one on the cards there as well, Chad, but definitely looking more bullish. On top, yeah. Sorry, bro.
Sorry, Chad.
I don't know what he was using it for.
I was getting the videos from them.
But that is the plan, yeah. If we look at the higher time frame, though, we can see this thing breaking structure. So same thing, guys. We just want to be very aware. But obviously, I'm still bullish, so we just want to keep an eye out for this one. You don't want to be sticking to a bias and you miss any other potential moves. So very much reactive, yeah. If we can test, yeah, and we actually reject, I'll start looking for the sells, because we are under that EQ. We failed at the EQ. And we're moving. I think a lot of guys will try fade it purely to obviously aim for Asia highs, and this thing just starts melting. Keeping in mind DXY going bullish, and as I said, if we look at existing home sales, that looks like it can come out bullish, and if that's the case, dollar just carries on taking off. NASDAQ, as I say, different case because that is NASDAQ. That's companies. That's what we want to look at. US30, not so much. So just keep that one in mind, guys. Lastly, from my side, gold. Gold, I'm still sticking to it. Buys above this area, 24.17. So it's actually 24. Yeah, there we go, 24.17. If we can break above here, I want to be looking for those buys. Until then, I'm not that happy. Same thing with US30. When we look at the higher time frames, we've now had the pullback, broke again with the close underneath. So this guy can flash to the downside, guys. A lot of momentum. Remember I said to you guys, you can come all the way down to here and still be bullish. That is the thing right now. So if dollar wants to have a bit of a run ahead of PMI on Thursday, this could be a shot. We could have a big pullback, PMI, and go back up tomorrow. So we just want to keep an eye out because that is a good move. We don't want to miss it. So literally very, very simple for me. We are at the S1. If we get any close, obviously buys above there. I want to make this very, very simple for you guys. We can see buys above there. Very simple. Anything over here by this, we want to have sells underneath. Very, very simple on gold today. Sells below. Okay. That is what we're going to look for. Buys above there, sells below. Yeah, because not only are we taking the low of the day, but that very good chance we are then going to break the S1. And if you guys know our little rule, if we can break the S1 and obviously not reject off it, very good chance you're going to have a probability to the S2. So that's what we're going to look out for here. So just going to keep it nice and safe and simple. Very active day, as I say to you guys again. But that is everything for myself. Jeff, what you looking at?
Okay. Yo. Okay, from my side, guys, DXY. As you can see over here at the daily R2, there was a supply zone at this level. And if you follow the internal structure on the 5 minute, you would see that price has taken out that supply zone, flipping the bias, leaving us with a supply zone over here and a supply zone here back at the R1. Now, initially, I would like to see DXY trade up until the R2, and then reject that level. But alternatively, also, if we can have a clear pattern present itself over here internally, I just want to give you perspective on that. So if we can see price do this, flip, leaves with displacement, then we could potentially see that happen. So we'll just keep an eye on that. But to give you some perspective on the 15-minute, Asian lows untested on my book. So I still want to see price trade all the way down towards this double bottom, tap into this demand zone over here potentially, and then rise. Same thing, like I said, either this zone over here or the daily S1 lining up with yesterday's low. So I am bearish on the session on the dollar. Flipping to Euro USD, you can see over here price also tapping into the daily S2 and this demand zone. Very similar as well. You can see in the 5 minute price breaking above that supply zone, flipping price bullish. I would like to see price trade all the way down into this fair value gap up until 1.08250. And like I said, at the S2 to potentially look for some longs. GBP USD, very hard for me to say it's going to happen over here because price did trade down towards the daily pivot, but price also broke below that level, actually flipping the direction over here. So this is actually your 15-minute change of character. Now, my only concern with this is how DXY is moving. So I wouldn't initially want to look for sells on GBP USD. However, I would want to see potential buys coming in, but it's just a matter of where do we actually get in. So if we can see price trade up, breaking that high over there, retrace potentially, then we can potentially get in there. So this session also with everything happening today, I'm not going to focus on too many pairs. So from here, EU, GU, gold. I want to see gold trade down to 2400. I've been mentioning it since the beginning of the week. Once we tap that level into that demand zone, I will start looking for my buys on gold. And then on oil, as you can see, oil is almost at my level. A nice little confluence over here. Change of character. Demand zone. Weekly S1. Daily S1. Also institutional level of 77.5. So once we can get into this level over here, I will start looking for potential buys on oil. Nasdaq also bullish on it. However, I would like to see price trade down for now in the session to create that inducement towards the downside. Then trade down all the way to the S1 before we get into some potential longs. Alternatively, if price does this, potentially breaking above the Asian high, obviously a higher high, see that retracement all the way down back to the daily pivot, tapping into this demand zone over here, then I'll potentially look for longs from this position, but it's all a matter of waiting for price to do its thing. Then US30, we can see over here, price also holding this level and now pushing towards the upside. I'm also bullish on this pair. I would love to see it come down for a better entry for buys, but yeah, on USD, I got think Nasdaq looks better, but USD, if we can see it break to the downside, that would be ideal. Or even potentially, if we can see price just sweep the low, tap the weekly pivot, still break above the institute level of 39,800, then potentially I might still look for longs from this level down here.
So are you bearish in USD? Or you just wanted a big pullback?
I want a big pullback for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what were you for Nasdaq?
Also bullish. Also want to see a pullback.
Okay, big pullback first. Even though it's already had a pullback for the day.
Yeah. But if Nasdaq, I would love to see it pull back more.
Okay.
But with this move currently going up, if it breaks above the current daily high and like a proper close in the 15-minute, then the daily pivot will be my next point of interest for buys.
Okay, I'm with you. Even though DXY is crashing at the moment.
Yeah.
All right. Interesting. Chad, you know what we are looking out for here. NVIDIA to the moon. Oh, we got Mr. Han in the building. Yo, guys, Han, as we saw in there with Forbes, literally NVIDIA heavily weighted in NASDAQ. So that is, I think, definitely on the cards for everyone today. We always say it, guys, very easy to understand what's going to be coming out there, but a case of can you execute and can you get in before the rocket leaves without you. So as I said, anything above Asia lows here, guys, this is where I'm going to be looking to get in on it. And if I can, I'm going to be sitting it out. Like, just the goal is to get to a point I can go BE, and that's it. Literally, I hope to let it run till that release. Just buy and hope for the best. That's it, guys. If we hit the goal on Nasdaq today is literally to get in and just sit it out to BE. Like that is it. That is the goal here today. But we basically got, guys, look at that. We have 40 seconds till market open. So let's see what's going to happen here. USD looking like it wants to have a nice push to the upside again. Nasdaq trying to come back very strong as well. Gold, as I said, guys, very simple for me. Anything even above Asia lows, but that is the definite entry for my buys. Very simple area for me with gold today. That's what we're looking for, and we want to see DXY pull back as it is right now. So let's keep an eye on Nasdaq, as I said to you. Nasdaq and gold, those are the two plays for me today, Chad. We've got our alert. Let's set it also here at the Asia lows, so we already know when we're there. Otherwise, breaking the low for the sells, and Nasdaq is what we want to see here at Asia lows. Chad, and that's it. Markets are open. Let's see. Let's see what happens here, Chad. Right now, DXY crashing and barely moving. It's giving me... Hey, Chad. So, Nasdaq trying to fight a bit there. US 30. Ooh, here comes the pump. We normally, the last 2 days, you've seen these go opposite. One's going bullish on the open. One goes bearish. Which is it going to be, Chad? US 30 or Nasdaq? As I say, we want the buys here, Chad. So... let's see. The only thing, and that's the thing, Chad, Nasdaq can take off, but at the same time, as we keep saying, just a case of can you be in the move? Can you catch it? So now the patient wait for the 15-minute shuffle. Nasdaq going bullish. US 30 fighting for its life still, and DXY still making a comeback, or trying to make a comeback. We got gold. Ooh, there we go. Gold taking the lows here, Chad. Can we get a closure there? Very big thing here, guys. Looking for a closure here on gold. That's what we're looking for.
I like the song.
We're getting ready over here. I don't know what this song is, but I really have no clue what this is, guys. I feel like I'm in like some cheap like West Indies movie. I feel like, bro, when they were doing it, like what was it? Bugs Bunny and the Tasmanian
yeah.
Devil. There we go, bro. I'm in an episode of that right now.
Looney Tunes vibes.
Literally, bro. This is where Bugs is getting chased around, fighting for his life. Okay. Are you selling this volatility, Jev? What are you doing, Jev?
What do you mean? Hey, Itty.
Etty's back, bro.
Finally. Sorry, I'm just trying to get into one of my accounts here. Yeah, you guys know.
Bro, I love how I've been fighting for my account. I get mine, not just fighting for you.
I'm trying to log in, but... Okay, let's try this again. Thank you, Itty. Thank you.
Chad, what did I say though about NASDAQ? Like, that's the thing with NASDAQ. You want the entry over there, but NASDAQ's never going to give you that. NASDAQ's going to give you an entry like that. It's so like crazy though, because how tiny this range has been for NASDAQ today, Chad.
Oh no, Moski. I am bullish on gold. I just want Keegan to push price down for me a bit.
I don't want to sell.
I thought you want to sell.
I said if it breaks this, there's a sell. But
Oh.
if I want the bars up there. Bro, that's been the whole plan since this morning.
Okay. My bad, guys.
But at the same time,
I
you
almost
know me,
misled
I
them.
always have them both, bro. Like, if DXY is doing this, I'm not going to go there and sell. Like, that just doesn't make sense. It doesn't, like, go with my rules.
I think I'm in.
In what? Oh, in your account.
Yeah. Yes, at the mission.
And so Jeff taking trades here without us. TP1 hit on NAS. Now we hold for dear life. That's a turtle trader. That is the plan for all of us. If we can get in, you just gotta hold. Hold and pray. I personally would love, like, if you're in there, like, wait for it to be like, yeah, somewhere, because obviously NASDAQ can do that, and then back up, like somewhere like this, and go BE, and then you just pray. wait for, if you can hold it till tonight. Nas will pump now a bit, then just range it till later. Yeah, Fobs, that's what I said to the guys. I'm personally hoping, bro, if we can pump till like, yeah, above the R1, and you hold that, and just do this. Literally just do that then for the rest of the day, until NVIDIA. Around 10:30 tonight is just the closing bell of NYSE. Yeah. Oh, DXY is trying to fight back here, Chad. DXY is trying to fight back. Oof, there goes US30 now. Now US30 is fighting back. Bro, US30 has just been absolutely blowing people's accounts. Like, that thing is hurting people. Like, how do you trade that, Chad? Like, what is this? Yeah. Finally, some clean movement. What clean movement do you see in Dante? I don't know if one candle counts as clean movement, but because at this point it can literally just retrace again, as Nasdaq's doing. Nasdaq pushed and right back. So US30 giving us something. I think gold will sweep the lows and be bearish for the day. I think New York session is an idea of what happens at FAMC minutes. It will be bearish. That's my anticipation. Guys, sorry to disagree. Rosa, no, that's chill, bro. That's the thing. It's not a case of, like I said, if we close underneath here, I'll also take the sell. And that's the thing, guys. It's not a thing of difference in opinions or like you wrong or like if that's your, like we analyze differently. So Rosa, if that's yours, I wish you the best of luck and may the better person win on the day. That's trading. $10 at a time. Nvidia is selling hard. Wait, what? Okay. Whoever was smiling on Nas now want to see their faces. Exactly, bro. That's why we got the 15-minute shuffle. Like, guys, I wouldn't even lie to you. When I was still, like, again, Chris introduced me to the 50-minute shuffle, and I was always like, nah, bro. Like, you're making me miss moves and all these type of things. And how many times it saved me. It's crazy. And this is literally another example of that. So now it's most probably come back down to like a bottom wick on the 1 hour candle, then back up. Today US30 clapped my cheeks. Damn, that open was so fast. 30 pips came and went so fast. Nvidia is under pressure because of the Taiwan thing with China. The world is messing right now. US30, oof. Geez, do you know if Vault markets have a web-based MT5 portal? Nathan, they do, brother. I've gone through this with the guys before. Let me just put this on the side screen quickly so you people don't see my logins. When you go into it, you will click on your login. Let me just do this quickly with my coffee. You'll go to your login. Once you're logged in, on the side, just hold on, Nathan, on the side there is a left side. You'll click there, information and tools, MetaTrader, and you'll go there, either Meta MT4 web terminal, or you can go further down, MT5 or web terminal. But there you go, brother. As you log in, on the left side under information tools, MetaTrader, just go look over there. I have to log in every time. Yes, you do. Pretty much all places I know their web terminals, you have to log in. Because remember, it's linked to your account. When you use a web terminal, it's automatically linked. So you have to log into your account, then web terminal, and you'll sign in. Nas might give us an entry we want. Then I also got up today. No more chase for me, just here for vibes. For the vibes. It's not on the side. We can see you logging, Keegs. It is on the side. Did you guys see my login?
I didn't even see now.
No, you didn't. It was on the side, yeah.
No, I meant I didn't wait. I wasn't checking the screen.
Hold on. If it was over, yeah. You can't see that, eh? Hey, that man. Ben. Yes, we saw. I was like so confused there, bro. Like, we never have that screen showed. I was like, how did you see that screen? We didn't see it. Your account is gone. Hey, Chad. Yesterday is messy and I don't like those equal lows. No. Yeah, Chad. That man is messing with you. No, Chad, I know he is now. But he does scare you, know he did, bro. Trying to like their gigs, yeah. Hey, slashy. Naz, Naz hurting the people. Gold. Oof, is gold gonna give us an entry, yeah? US 30, Chad, look at that. Damn. US 30 is just taking off. Boom, boom. I have no clue what this music is, bro.
It's the vibes.
It's the vibes.
It's the vibes.
I caught that US 30. Oh,
Sure,
Ed.
It's being naughty.
Ed, I don't even know how you caught that. Like, what was the entry criteria for that, bro? But I don't even want to know. DXY. There we go. Going bearish. Everything's setting up here. We want the buys, Chad, on gold. He bought off the rip. I told you buy and pray. Can I do the same thing for gold, Ed? Just buy and pray, bro. This thing seems to work. Just have faith. Hey, Jeff, what's your thoughts?
Hey?
What's your thoughts, bro? Just buy gold and have faith.
No. I want to see gold come down.
Hey, where do you want to see gold go to?
2400.
You want to see it go to 2400 then? Bro, that's in the middle of nowhere.
It's my demand zone.
Hey,
And
this man.
yeah.
Hey, this man. Naz might give a perfect entry. Ooh. It might actually, Peter, that actually might. A nice close here in the Asia range. Let's see, where is that thing studying now? That would be crazy, bro. It would be crazy. Now we can look for Nasdaq buys. Yeah, guys, Nasdaq actually on the table for us here now. Nasdaq actually on the table. Chad, I will take a shot at it purely because of us in the Asia range. Again, this is literally the new. We're just taking this, guys. This is a 30 pip stop. This is literally a hold and pray trade for Nvidia. So please, guys, I'm not going big on this because I need this thing to hold. So I want you guys just to understand that. Literally not a high entry on it. We are just trying to get in on this move. So please don't go put your house on it. We explained the process with this one. I just want to keep an eye on it. I'm going to put here for you guys. Low risk trade. So we're not putting a lot on this, alright? That's literally on the side. Like, Chad, I mean for me, like, I'm watching gold at the same time. So literally, I'm not putting a lot on it because I'm going to be bouncing back and forth. I want to see what we can get here on gold. Let's see.
Turtle trader. No, not the way I see it. because the thing is, you basically just swept yesterday's low, yesterday's Asian low. So now on my book, the way I drew it out, there's no demand. They're slightly below it.
Just so we can have that set in. Chad, as I say, just monitoring both here. I really want to get these gold bars here. So we just stay on alert here for this, okay? DXY, I think really looking good to sell off.
Danielle, yeah, the wick still a story.
Let's see. US30 still holding that daily pivot. Nasdaq holding nicely. Gold just chilling. US30 guys, I mean US30 DXY, we just need to see this thing die. It just needs to come down for us. Gold, I think, guys, the thing that's nice about this gold trade is I think if gold does anything nice here, we could see gold. If it doesn't sell off and break, and this thing flips, gold can come back for like even these little area over there. So definitely on
Danielle,
the cards.
Danielle, yes, it's an honor.
What's happened now?
Oh no, he asked. That's Danielle. Okay, Danielle asked if I buy or sell on the wicks, and I said yes. And someone commented wicks don't lie, and then Danielle asked, so you're the guy who grabs all liquidity.
Hey Chad, look at this thing go for us. We said just drop a prayer, the prayer trade. Just see this thing run. Hopefully, Chad, we're gonna sit here tonight and we're gonna post this. All of us smiling, yeah. Sit there with our cigars when we're watching video come out. That's the goal, yeah, Chad. That's the goal, yeah, with this.
I wish I could get it set up.
Bro, you want the whole move to fucking retrace first. I don't know what you want us to do about that. Where is it? Never been so irritated with gold's action like I was today. Yes. Hey, wow, what did gold do to you? Hey, Chad, check that thing go. This is my vibe, Chad.
Yeah, vibes. Cole, my side USDT, I still want to see price trade down. I actually want to see it take out, like slightly sweep yesterday's low, and then once we touch the weekly pivot and we hold it, I will look for my long. And then on Nasdaq, I still want to see it come down as well.
Bro, this is in the elevator. This is the Wall Street music. Like I said, this is when we sit in there fine dining. There's that live jazz band in the background. Hey, what is this? It doesn't fall into jazz. What does this fall under? Hey, what does this fall under?
I think it falls under.
Don't hate on my playlist, yeah?
No, I love your playlist.
This is our jazzy blues playlist.
How did you go for fun?
Yeah, bro, the funky playlist.
Okay, wait, I want to show you the staple. I've been really sometimes listeners. So, this guy, Diala,
Mm.
very solid. So I usually start off with all of Diala. This is that fake Eminem guy, and then Anno Domino beats, can't go wrong. So those two, the rest, then it's fake Eminem again. So Ayala and then this guy.
Sure, what's happening there? Gold jumping a bit.
This Anno Domino beats and Ayala. Bro, you can't go wrong.
Alright. We
I don't know
will
if you can filter those two.
we will give them a try there.
Sorry, yeah.
We'll see what these guys can do.
Ayala, Anno Domino.
That was Chris Loki saying he didn't like the jazz music.
This sounds like a sad hip hop song.
Sad hip hop song. See guys, look, the jazz was pumping Nasdaq. Now we took away that and yeah, bro. The thing is, it can run. If this thing, like we said, the whole idea of this is to get in that we can get to a nice point that we can be BE and let this thing hold, obviously ahead of Nvidia coming out. That's like the whole play here today.
Shit, man, we missed oil.
Oil.
Yeah, we're even deep in the blues now. We're gonna break even now.
Oh, deep in the blues. We're eating.
But let's hope it retraces so we can get an entry.
I'm still watching gold, yeah.
Sorry, I just have to listen to this quickly because people are stressing on me.
Guys, just be aware. If I take an entry on gold, as I said, that other basic development account is what we took NAS with. So that's chilling. My main account is what I'll take with now on gold. So yeah, this is where I'll, just so you guys know, because I think people are gonna like faint. They're gonna see, yeah, the Keegan's in 2 trades at once. I don't recommend it if you guys went big on the other trade, because I always say I do not recommend being in 2 trades at the same time. But I don't trade indices on my main account. That's like other accounts I do. So like I said, that account is that development account that I've been dabbing with. So my main account I obviously will trade gold with. Just so we're all on the same page, yeah. The reason why one needs to be in a community, Rux, what did Rux say? Where is he? Bentpaz, so let's see, oof, that could be a big turnaround there. Let's see, yo, that man talks loud.
if not, dus kan automatically dan later je account uitzoekt of de values ready is. En dan als je nog een grotere inspection doet, dan zoek je misschien nog.
I said, sorry, as I said, I'm just watching this because we want to get an entry on gold here. The NAS trade running smooth so far. So very, very smooth there. What we're going to do here, Chad, I'm going to just actually put them on here. So we'll say this is development account. Dev account. And we're going to put here if we enter main account, just so you guys are aware, alright? I think after today, NAS will do a big correction because the last couple days it's been giving penetration again. Yeah. That's what I said for me. I think this thing definitely can get to the weekly resistance and even past that. And then from tomorrow, start reversing a bit. But again, it could even just carry on. Maybe that's what everyone's going to expect, and then this thing's just going to carry on. Who knows? What's the return on the main account since? What's the return on the main account since inception? Oh yeah, this is a dumbass Mo again. A little smart ass. Bro, you are so concerned about my finances. Eish, this man. Bro, I don't know what it is. Maybe he wants some motivation or something that he'll know to get his life together. I don't know. I don't know why you're so concerned about another man's finances, bro.
I used to be like that until I started focusing on myself.
Yeah, bro, Mo, I don't know. Maybe they took him Area 51. They were just doing a bit of testing. I'm not sure. Maybe he can give us some
signals.
Some signals there from the outside. From the outside. From the unknown. Maybe those aliens can see into the future, bro. Maybe they see into the future. Keep in mind, guys, 4 o'clock, obviously, we want to enter. Big thing why we didn't take that as of yet is 4 o'clock. Remember, you had news come out. Existing home sales, which is a miss. So dollar weakness. So let's just keep an eye out here. That basically confirms the move we are looking for. So let's just see. Mo, if you're still here in the chat, if you haven't ran away yet, brother, we're going to help you get to our level. The big boss has just spoken. We're going to give you a 2 million Rand Vault Funder account. If you get in contact with us right now, DM myself or Chris, send us a screenshot that is your YouTube account, and we're going to give you a 2 million Rand Vault Funder account. Just because I know you're such a successful trader, you're going to make the most of it. So just DM us, bro, and you can come claim that account. Hey Mo, wish I was you. Damn, I should start to ask Keys about his finances more.
So Jay, no, that was actually I was looking for a buy. Quickly throw my screen, Keeks.
Oh, la, brother.
So I'm looking at it now. Also, like it is here for entry, but I'm not going to take it. And the reason why for this is because of the spread. I don't like the way the spread looks. Like literally, if I enter here, I'll probably only be executed into profit, like probably around that level because of the spread. So I'm not gonna sit through that. But initially, why I took it, or why I wanted to take it was because we have demand zone down here. The weekly is one, daily is one, and you can see price basically broke structure to the downside. Here we had that flip, price making higher highs, leaving us with this demand zone down here. As you can see, price tapped into it, respected, and now you can look at it from that perspective. Change of character. There is that fair value gap, and technically there is your entry. But I'm not gonna take it. I'm more locked in on USDT and Nasdaq.
Hey, Chad. It's I see you guys being clever here, but the real ones will know where this is going. But I think Rooks already knows where we're going with this. My boy is such a successful trader, as we said. The challenge is there, bro. Come claim your account. Come show us how it is done.
Okay, I see what's happening.
We can use you as that fine example of what a trader is. And we can show your amazing success rate, because I'm sure you're probably 100% winning trader. So the account's there, bro. I'm pretty sure. Who do I send the screenshot to? You can send it to Chris. He'll get it to you right now. So I'm on stream. So send everything to Chris. DM him right now.
Yeah, must be nice to be a hater.
Bro, but you know what's the better thing? It's nice to know that you're never gonna have to do a payout for that account. It's not gonna get the payout.
Yo.
But as I said, we were. That's what I said right now. There, Chris is chatting to you there in the chat. Send it to him. He'll get it done here, so we can literally tell you guys on stream it's been sent to him. That we are people of our word, and we can see this brother of ours.
Succeed.
Show us how to trade. Chad, as of yet, still haven't got any reason to execute. US30 trying to hold the support for the first time. Nasdaq, obviously we are in this development account trade, so that is just chilling. Gold, as I said, still looking for this. Obviously news came out with this candle, so no top wick on the 15. Testing this again, but we are literally just range bound at the moment, Chad, so nothing for us to take the trade as of yet. DXY playing around rejecting the R1, so things definitely still on the cards for us yet. Wouldn't call it a day yet, Chad. Definitely I can see some moves setting up for us. You'll just watch the stream and pass the challenge. No, brother, you can't do that. Trust me, we've got our ways around this. You wanted the spotlight, now it's on you, lol. Yeah, guys, somehow when the cameras and the lights are on, these guys freeze. Mo would be the guy who's going to say you get slipped and failed, yeah. Yeah, we'll be able to track him too.
Or he's gonna say what I said to Chris that day. There's an invisible spread.
Jeff, good idea not taking oil, as oil's news coming out as well. He's Mo, yellow, prove the haters wrong, Mo. You can do it. That's why there really is no stream like the 2Gs. Lol, it's just giving positive vibes, bro. It is a vibe by himself. US30 hurt me today. Aish. Yeah, guys, as I said, US30 is just hurting people lately. Mo, if you're scared, you can give me the account. Happy for it to be shared live. Perfect, brother. DM on the way. No stress, bro. We are till past, so please just get it done quickly so we can let the chat know that it has been sent to you. Invisible spread. I'm a man of the people, and it's also no fun if he doesn't actually take the chat. Ready to take buys in gold once it reaches 24.02. Gold is hurting me now. USD is a school bully. What is USD, dude?
I am tempted to short it, but no.
There goes Naz, guys. Naz fighting back. What is... Oh, there we go. DXY fighting back. So there goes the move on gold, Chad.
Get ready, Chad. It's
This
almost at
point
my
in
zone.
time, I won't take that, Chad. That's gone for me. I'm not going to touch gold. But Jev likes catching falling knives, so he's ready for this. I want to see this. Jev, it's on your screen, bro.
Lovely.
They're ready for you.
Lovely, Chad. Patiently waiting, yo. Patiently waiting. There we go. Is the news coming out?
No, news has happened already.
Oh, like what's happening to gold here? Gold is news by itself.
Isn't that your zone, like right there?
Nice.
There. So you're in your zone now. So
Yeah.
if you-
But now we have to wait.
For what?
2400. I want to see something like this happen.
So you want 2400.
Yeah. On the
Okay.
dot. Want to see this happen, like something like this. Reject. And then leave a wick. Manifestation, Chad.
Yeah, this man's getting specific here now.
Obviously, I'm looking at gold and I'm like, what's going on? What happened? Did news come out?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. What do you think? Do you think that it's worth holding, or do I just take my Wednesday? That's not my full position though.
It's still going. I'm gonna say hold it.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna go against Jeff. Jeff's about to buy it.
Yeah, no, it is.
I wanna
Let's go $70, 80.
Take your profit while you
Jeff-
can.
Jeff's entering at 2400, bro. So
Take your profit while you can.
I want to see this. Mo versus Jeff.
This is Jim, bro. I bought him a day early, so.
There we go, Chad. 2400. 2400. What's our boy gonna do? Only Jeff likes play with knives, bro. Whew. Whew.
Let's get ready here. Let's get ready here. Okay. There we have it. There's
You
that
really
tap.
gotta buy, bro.
There's
Oh
that
my
tap.
word. Only you, Jeff. Only you, bro.
Keith, just tell Mo I'm still waiting. Like I need to send him the account.
Yeah, Chad.
If he doesn't claim it in the next 20 minutes.
Yeah. We just saying there, Mo. We still waiting, bro. We still waiting. You were like DMs on the way. We still waiting.
Yeah.
They said you got 20 minutes, then we leave. So 20 minutes. I don't know if this is a KFC, guys, but I'm smelling some chicken cooking. How's that 2400 looking there, brother?
Waiting for that. Waiting for that rejection to show us that it's gonna hold.
A rejection.
Yeah, still under 1 minute. So basically, we can view it like this on the 3 minute.
Bro, that thing is dying. That thing is not rejecting. I'm glad to see you've learned though. You don't just buy when it hits your level. Because that's what I was waiting for. But because that thing's not stopping, bro. That is not stopping.
We're patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. Have faith. Have faith. Market makers are us.
We are like 23.96.
Still waiting. Don't worry. We're gonna get this.
Bro, you
It's
can't
gonna
be
go
like
up.
in your zone. This is. I
it's-
know this is how you trade.
It's gonna reject. I need to
I
need
know
to see
this is how you trade,
I need
bro.
to see a specific pattern play out here.
You would have entered. Same with the Nasdaq in the US. They just
No,
tap your zone, you
no,
enter,
look here.
and then that's it.
Yesterday on thingy on US30. Why I took it? It's how it rejected.
No, but it wasn't. It was a wick in, and then you took it.
No, I took it like this last night.
Let's see, sorry, what did we say this morning of the...
This is how I took it. When the price rejected
No, we said.
and this candle closed above, that's how I took Stingy yesterday. US30.
Oh no, we're watching. Jeff wants to buy it now. Please hold on, Chris. You're a witness to this. Jeff catches fallen knives. Now he's saying no. He rather wants a turn around and an entry of rejection. Then he always catches a falling knife.
Watch this. Watch what happens here.
No, but Chad, please, am I lying here? How many times Jeff just waits for it to touch his zone and then he buys?
But there's a specific.
Now he's waiting for an entry criteria.
Yeah, but I mean, like but I mean, any trader, how they would do it. There's certain conditions for certain markets. I'm waiting for a specific pattern on the.
So here's my thing. When I traded SMC, like everything you do, great, but then you look for what you're looking there for on the higher time frame of the 1 minute. So I would have looked at the
Bob, that's Bob. You being an idiot now. I'm not talking about like my strategy's the only one. I'm not saying, bro. I'm the first person that's given Jeff credit when he does, but I'm just saying. We can go back on stream and look when Jeff takes the trade. He has a zone. The minute it wicks that, he buys. Now we're just giving him the shit now. Now he's waiting for like an entry criteria.
So yeah, wait.
I'm not saying Jeff can't trade, bro. Jeff definitely can trade.
Wait, what's this? Oh shit! Quickly press escape there. So yeah, I'm just saying for me.
Okay.
How do I delete that? For me, when I traded SMC, because price is fractal, I would wait for it to come into my zone, exactly what we always look for. That little sweep and that on the 1 minute. So then on the 1 minute, literally exactly what I'm looking for on the higher time frame. I did pretty well with this. Yo, Jeva. Okay, mate, put this. Yo. So then I would look for that order block somewhere in here. And at 61.8, so I'll wait for that sweep, change of character, and then I'll place my on the 1 minute. So once it gets to this zone, I'm looking for that sweep, change of character, fair value gap, or order block, whatever in here, OTE, and then I'll enter. That way, I would have never entered here. Just on one candle. Then you have the little liquidity sweep. Your goal is. But also remember with news events, supply and demands do fail. What is it, chat?
Oh. If we miss it there's my next zone. This is why I always say. This is why I always tell everyone. This is why I always tell everyone. Have zones marked out, and you have a certain entry criteria that you're looking for based on the market conditions, because the market's never in the same condition.
Also, Chad, what did we say on the 4 hour?
Chad, what did we say this morning about the 4 hour?
About the lows being equal and the highs being lower.
This over here, Chad. What were we talking about this year?
We said the lows stayed equal. I'm just saying, I didn't trade it, but I said that's the one scenario. I did say it, and I've seen it so many times, but anyway. Still waiting for Mo.
Yeah, we still waiting for Mo, guys. Just so you know. Still no Mo. Nati Keys is right though, guys. Jeff usually does trade like that. Guys, that's the thing. Trust me, we've given Jeff the credit. I would say I'm giving him cuck because I'm proud of him. It's developing because now he won't fall short. Like that thing can turn around, and at least now if he gets the entry, he takes it, and that thing will flip and run. So it's not that, guys. Please don't get us wrong there. We were the first people, literally 2-3 weeks ago, saying how Jeff is actually a really good trader. So this is just, it's like brotherly love. We giving the man some kakia now, but That's Chad. Don't get it wrong when I'm saying or assuming that. Mo's gone MIA. Yeah. Tamer, I'll take his account for him if he's afraid. ICT, incredibly confused trader. If that flips, it's going to the moon. Yeah. If it does flip, 100%. Mo, the tribe has spoken, bro. It's time to drop and give us 50. There we go. If that flips, I see 500 coming. Remember, Chad, in the analysis literally earlier, what did we say to you guys? This thing can come all the way back down to the pivot and then turn bullish. So for me, 100%. For me, wait, Jeff, where was your second zone?
The weekly pivot.
The weekly pivot? Okay, yeah. So
Yeah.
see, even there, now how about that, Chad? Now I can back him because that's a solid area of support that I would even back him taking the buy off of that. I'd even, if you can find on my side even, Chad, like he says, like a trade into that weekly pivot,
The next
a
zone is
nice
the
rejection,
next zone is 23.90.
and you get above that S1, S2 again, there you go. Bang, that thing's going to flip. That Nasdaq is just chilling, Chad. Again, I'm not gonna fight that Nasdaq. That's what we want to see it do, but it's just chilling. Gold is what we are all looking for, yeah. Chad, while we are waiting though, what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna check, yeah, my IG as well. That he's not gonna try flip a card and be like, oh, I DM'd you, and you didn't answer me. We're gonna make sure that this boy's got no excuse here. There we go. No messages, Chad. No messages yet. So, yeah. We are still waiting, Mo, very patiently. Have you had any trades yet today, brother?
EU this morning, a 3-pip stop,
Yeah.
and Euro Yen missed the sell limit and ran to TP.
Okay. Let's see, Chad.
So cold, behold, frostbite, they feeling. I could tear you apart, or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste, and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love.
Alright.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. 'Cause anything
Like this type of rejection, yeah, guys. This is something we can look at. Because DXY, let me just change this. Can we? Which stream did you guys come from? Wait, what happened now? Keeks, did you take the NAS long? Oh, yo. Guys. Creating a fake profile and email address.
Okay, guys. That's me. I want to place a buy limit on gold.
Hold on, let me just put on your screen there, brother. I back this one. You already starting to see rejection out the pivots.
Yeah, the exact
I
same.
back this one, bro.
Exact same pattern I waited for now. Check this at candle. Rejected. Next one close above.
At this, where it is now, I'm back this one, bro. This one I'm back for you.
So entry would be 23.90. 40 pip stop. TP open.
So you wanted to come back in. Do you have a buy limit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Buy limit 23.90. Yeah.
No, Chad, the Nasdaq trade still chilling. Are you sure it's Mo? He could be using a demo account showing you he's a successful trader or faking it. Super Cecil, Mo, are you talking about the Mo in the office with us? Or which one? You talking about the Mo that's trying to be a smart ass in the chat? Which one? Let's see ya, Chad. Give
Okay.
that 15 flips, I'll get in, yeah.
Almost there. Almost there, guys. Almost there. And I am in on my one account.
Your one account.
Why can't I execute? Yeah. It's weird. Shit, that was close.
Oh, bro, that thing like tapped you in and then nearly hit your stop loss at the same time.
Better go up now. We don't want to see anything like this. We don't want to see any sort of weird movement here.
Jeremy, it's gonna smack your S for sure. We'll see. Gold trending down, lol. She'll continue down. As I say, guys, me no entry yet. Our boy Jev's in there fighting for his life.
I have faith.
A man with a dream
I have faith.
to catch 1,000 pip move. We believe in you, Jev. That's it. Mtoko, down momentum still there. Can you please explain entry reasoning on gold?
Demand zone pivot institutional point 23.90.
There you have it.
Low of the day.
The one that's not messaging you. The one that's not messaging you. No, well, that's what we want to say. We're going to give him an account because then he can trade. We can track his trades. We can do everything. And we know that's a challenge account. So it's not demo. It's not anything like that. And we can track him. So a boy like that's never going to act up. And that's why he still hasn't messaged us because he's not going to. Because again, it's all cool and well to be a little chirper and keyboard warrior until someone's going to come up and call you in your bluff. And then, as we said, the man is gone. Just like that. Poof. I'm in ya heavy. I back you, bro. I'll take you up for the challenge. Trading with Rue, we never asked you, brother. Can I message on his behalf? Hey, the Chad. The Chad wanting some free accounts here. Mo, we'll PM you. Mo, brother, we said half past. 4 minutes. You, bro, don't try to be that guy now. That's why I said we said it in front of the chat. You're gonna be that guy. You've had 20 minutes to send a DM and say, "This is me. Here's my IG. Can't sign up to Insta, so we'll message later." Mo, bro. Don't waste our time. Don't waste our time. Just go into your little hole and stay there, bro. Don't waste our time now.
He was so close. I'm stopped out, guys. Minus 40. Minus 40.
There we go. Guys, that's part of it. It's trading. Same thing this morning. I took my little L on NASDAQ. Or was it yesterday? It's part of trading, guys.
I told someone last night as well, if you are following your rules, like you shouldn't, if you are mad after your trade, you probably didn't follow your rules.
Exactly. Brother. Can you believe this guy? Guys, I told you he's going to go do that. I told you he's going to do that. That's why I went and I checked my messages. They can't say he messaged me and not Chris. And I checked everything. He knew this guy was going to. He was going to be that guy that's going to come message us just after past when the stream's ended. And then tomorrow come back and be like, I did message them, but they didn't give me the account. When we gave you 20 minutes to message us and he didn't. Then it's bro, like, come do this. Oh no, IG, I can't sign in. I can't create an account. Oh, bro, like, I'll message you later. Bro, you've had 20 minutes.
I think the market's waiting for this thing tonight before we actually have true moves.
Just let the people know I'll be giving out a signal tomorrow at 6:50. We're going long.
Wait, what?
Let the people know I'll be giving out a signal tomorrow at 6:50. Because I'm here to miss, bro. Up another percent.
Nice. I just hit a stop.
I'll handle it.
40 pips.
40.
Next one. Dorito, let you know. What do you mean, the alcohol? What did you ask me? Brad, I don't think they've upped the minimum deposit, but I think the minimum you can deposit is 50 or 100 rand. Oh, okay. Sorry, Alco. I see now. Yeah, man. Just let me know. When you wanna come down, and then we can organize something. But let's do this. Maybe I'll give you a call later when I get home, and then we can talk about it. Yes, Slushy. I will forward you his number as well. The one trade we didn't take, ram it out. That's just see. We should have taken oil instead.
Hey, Chad. Sorry about that. Quickly, I had to take that. Just some more of the business side of things, but things looking good. Yeah. Let me just. What is this?
Also, I wanted to go long on oil, but the spread wasn't to my liking. But based on how it moved, it ran so nice, man. It ran so nice. Isra, yes, I did. I own quite a few coins.
Save.
Gold's is my next zone. I'm joking, guys.
Yo, but gold is melting, bro.
Yo.
Hey, and DXY like not doing anything.
But I think
Yesterday, what's the Nas trade
but
doing? Chilling.
I think this release coming out tonight, I feel like it's gonna be one of those sessions where we wake up the next morning
Yeah.
and Asia is just blown out.
Hey. Chad, but honestly, it's hot. JV, are you gonna take another trade, bro?
Oh no.
Chad, I think that might be the session. I'm not gonna wait. That's gonna wait in here for a while. DXY not giving us anything. USD moving there. Nasdaq, we are in this. As I say, guys, this is on my development account, so just letting this thing run. Purely, as I say, we want this thing to try and get us through to Nasdaq tonight. That is the plan here for us. So we're gonna see what can happen there. But Chad, I think that is going to be it. Jeff, any closing remarks there, brother?
From my side, guys, nothing much. But the patterns we basically marked out on stream, you guys can go back on it. What we want to see happen on Nasdaq and USD. And then, yeah, when the release comes later on tonight, I will take a shot. My side.
There we go. Chad, from myself, as I said, gold. I don't like trading that far out of session, so I don't know. It would have to look really, really good for me. Personally, who knows? Maybe I'll load a bit more into this if this thing's still alive. But I think personally, I'm just going to focus on Nasdaq here, see what we can get here. But this will be the play for us. Other than that, Chan, I think that's everything. So, guys, again, been a very, very tough week, being a bit hard up and down momentum lately. But we're going to get that all sorted. So, again, appreciate everything. Again, to everyone. So, appreciate you guys. Appreciate the support. And remember, guys, that NVIDIA release coming out tonight. It's almost like 9:30 as the market closes. So, just keep an eye out for that one. And again, I wouldn't say personally myself, I wouldn't put my main account on it because you don't want to be on the wrong side if things do go south. But that's going to be it. As I said, this account for me, just going to let this thing run. Hopefully it can keep us in till that comes out tonight. But that's going to be from us, guys. Stay safe, trade safe, and we are going to see you guys tomorrow. Opening bell, myself and Chris. The New York session, myself and my boy Jev. And we're going to see you guys then. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Take a chat.